Okay, so when you first turn your tub on, you should have a temperature display which is showing the current water temperature, a time, and 3 dashes across the centre of the screen, which means the tub's in standby. What we're going to do is first we'll set the time to the correct time of day by pressing these buttons here with the tub in standby. Whatever the word is that's under here, that's the function that that button takes. So we're going to change the hour, because it's now nearly 9:15, so we'll change the hour by pressing this button repeatedly until we get to the correct hour. And then this button with minute to set the minutes. After a few seconds of flashing, the hour and minute will stop flashing, and now you've set your correct time. What we'll now set is a start time for the filtration cycle. By pressing this button here with the word cycle underneath it, we change the time for cycle. So what we want to do is start the tub to cycle for filtration at around about 10 o'clock in the morning. So we press that button once, and then we're now about the start time of about 10 o'clock. We then press this button with the word set underneath it to lock that time in, and we're going to set a filtration time duration. This is not a time of day, this is how long it will filter for. So we'll give this to 4 hours, and then press this button to lock the settings in. We now have the tub which will start filtering at 10 o'clock in the morning and run for 4 hours so that it filters until 2 o'clock. This is all you need to do really to get a start up. Anything else, you don't need to do that. So we'll now take the tub out of standby. As you see, the 3 dashes disappear from the centre of the screen, and we press this button here, which is the heater on-off switch. Basically this will start the heater and the circulation pump. The circulation pump starts, we get a heater symbol flashing on and off on the screen, and after a few seconds of checking that there is enough water pressure and various other system checks, this symbol should come on fixed. There you go. That now means that the heater is actually working to heat the tub to the temperature that you set it at by pressing this button. So when you press this button, you'll notice the temperature has changed. And if you want to set the temperature to say 38 degrees, press this button until you reach 38. Eventually the figures will stop flashing, and the tub will now run until it reaches 38 degrees centigrade. It will then turn the heater off and also turn the circulation pump off, unless of course you're in the period of its filtration time. And that's the basic setup, how to get it going. It's simple as that.